Let's be real. For many of us, financial freedom feels like a distant dream. We've got car loans, we've got mortgages, we've got student loan payments, I'm buying a bunch of diapers, and they're all eating up huge portions of our paychecks every single month. And don't get me started on taxes. Somehow, the more you make, the more they take. Now, the average American has thousands of dollars worth of debt. So saving up enough money to have in case of emergency or making sure that you can buy those big purchases that you want, not to mention hopefully trying to save for retirement. Believe me, I get it. It can be a lot to handle, but that's where infinite banking comes in. Imagine if you could tap into a bunch of someone else's money that you control. You can use it, you can grow it, and you can recycle it, all without having to rely on traditional banks. That's what the infinite banking concept is. It allows you to become your own banker. When you practice infinite banking, you're creating a system that's built to benefit you, not some big banking institution that couldn't care less about you or your financial goals. Think about this. Instead of paying interest to the bank, you're earning that interest for yourself. So you may be asking, Shawn, how does this all work? We use specifically designed whole life insurance to get this done. Now, this is not the type of whole life insurance that you're familiar with, trust me. Specifically designed life insurance is designed to maximize something called cash value. Cash value is money that you can access, you can borrow against, and it's guaranteed to get bigger and be there again next year. Now, this cash value grows at a guaranteed rate by the insurance company. Not only that, but you can borrow from it at any point in time, no questions asked. So it's like having a savings account and watching it grow, but then also being able to use it at the exact same time without interrupting the compounding of your money. I know, pretty crazy. Now, let's take a second and look at the difference between traditional banks and infinite banking. See, at traditional banks, they're going to take your deposit each and every time you give it to them. Whether it's every Friday, every 2 weeks, once a month, doesn't matter. So they're going to take that money and they're going to go use that money to loan it out. Anytime they do, they're going to upcharge or add interest to that loan. Now, unfortunately for you, the bank is the one that makes all the money. They make all the interest and they keep all the interest, even though it was your money that they used to make money. Anyways, you see, with infinite banking, you're the one that's in control. So now you've got access to the money inside the policy that you can now loan out. Whether you loan it to friends or to family, maybe you loan it to yourself, you're in control. So instead of being in the position where you're the one paying interest to that third-party institution, that third-party bank, now you can be the bank and you can earn and you can keep all the interest that that money is making. You see, this isn't just something for wealthy people or business owners. This is for everyone. Trust me, I'm a normal guy with a baby who I buy a lot of diapers for and a wife who just happened to learn how to become his own bank by reading this information and talking to the right people. The cool thing is, it doesn't matter whether you're looking to pay off debt like I was, or fund retirement, or buy a house, or buy a car, take a vacation. Doesn't matter. Infinite banking can absolutely work for you. See, with infinite banking, you can keep your money in motion, continually recycling it, while at the same time guaranteeing it's building your wealth over time. Let's say that you're saving up a bunch of money for a big project like home renovation. Maybe it's finally time to redo the kitchen because it's from the 90s. So instead of borrowing the money from a traditional financial institution and going through all the loan paperwork, all of that other extra stuff, you've built up enough cash value in your policy. So you decide to borrow the money from your own private bank. Here's how that looks. You'll borrow the money to fund your big project, and then you'll pay yourself back at the frequency you choose. And the entire time, you'll watch the money inside of your policy grow uninterrupted. How does that sound? Pretty good, right? If you want to learn more about this 200-year-old concept, head down to the description section of this video and click that link. That'll take you to the homepage of our website where you can watch a full overview, which provides some pretty great example of policies in action. After that, go ahead and book yourself a free cash consultation call with me and my team. We'll sit down and answer all of your questions and discuss exactly what your goals are and how infinite banking can be the foundation to building your legacy. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial insight, and check out some of our other extremely helpful videos on the channel. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to share it with somebody that you believe needs to see it. As always, the information is free, but the knowledge is priceless. I'm Shawn King, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.